Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. In today's video, we are going to first do Bank Nifty and Nifty analysis. We'll do it on monthly, weekly and daily time frames. We have seen that market has been very volatile and it has come down for last 7 to 8 sessions. Then there is a bounce on Friday. What is going to be the direction? We will find it out today in the video. And we will also try to learn how to analyze the stocks basis the fundamentals, and is there any screener which we can actually deploy, and what is the formula for it to be deployed, and get regular updates from that. You can also configure it on your email so that you don't miss any kind of entries on these kind of stocks. And these kind of stocks are like kind of a multi-bagger stocks which give you decent returns. And also, definitely you need to first make a list of these stocks and then analyze using our technical analysis. So without further ado, let's get started. I hope you can see the screen today. I am on the Nifty chart, and if you notice that we are on a monthly time frame, let me just try to use the epic pen here. So if you see the monthly candle for Nifty is saying that it's made a very kind of a 50% candle. It tried to go up, tried to go down, and taken support at the 20 period moving average on a monthly time frame. And the super trend is also telling us that it is going to stay in this zone for some time. This has become one zone. This is the top of the zone and this is the bottom of the zone. So it is a flag pattern. If you can see, it's a flag pattern consolidating at this end, and there can be a breakout on the upside if all the global cues turn favorable for us. Otherwise it can break down from here as well. So let's wait and watch what is going. But clearly I can see there is RSI is also indicating that it's already in a oversold territory and it's in a positive momentum. So let's wait. It might make some bit of candles here in this, but it can stay in this zone for some time. That's clearly evident on a monthly time frame. But if you see this on a weekly time frame, it has closed on a very positive note. This week's candle is very positive. If you notice, all the buying came from the support level, which is the 20 period moving average and the super trend. So it is very important that if any candle crosses the high of this week, okay, what is the high of this week? This week's high is about 17,196. If it crosses about 17,196.4, assuming that 17,197, then also you can buy. Even a small bit higher than the previous week, you can definitely go for buying and start adding to your portfolio. And also if you're doing any index trading, you can definitely go long from here. So this is all consolidation zone which we have seen, and we can mark that with a rectangle from here till here, and it is still in this zone. Any side, upside or downside, it has to break, but it looks positive as of now with this candle. Okay, so now let's look at this on a daily time frame. Daily time frame, we have already in a bearish trend, and if I put a moving average, say about 200, okay, let me put the moving average 200 here. Two moving averages you should always have on your chart is 20 and 200. So if you notice, without this 200 period moving average, you cannot make sense of this reversal. But with the 200 period moving average, you know that this is going to be a very strong support zone. When market has been falling, it has to reverse at 200 period moving average. That's what happened. Usually if you do this, if you watch multiple charts and if you trade intraday, you will definitely know that these kind of bounces are quite natural coming from the 200 period moving average. So this is a complete this is called as bull 180. Okay, complete red bar taken out by a green bar, and it closed higher. Okay, so this is a complete reversal. Now you can expect the market to stay and make a small candle maybe on Monday, or if there is too much momentum, too much positive things, it can move higher also up to this next level. But I don't see that happening because it is going to be a 600-point rally, which is not possible in a day. It can happen in couple of days, and we have to wait for it like this. Okay, so that's on Nifty. Nifty looks very positive. Similarly, on a bank Nifty, if we have to see what is going to happen, the bank Nifty still has room for the 200 period moving average. Okay, we are still far from this, but yes, it can still be in this zone for a few days, and either break upside or on the downside. Downside also we have support. This will surely go up like this by next week. Okay, so that's about Nifty and bank Nifty. Let's get back to our topic. So today I'm going to show you a tool which is called as screener. Okay, this is a screener.com. you can always use this. They have I think I have shown this in my previous video as well, where we have multiple if you can see the screen, we have multiple tools here. So here in this screener, you can use any of the popular themes: low on 10-year average, capacity expansion, debt reduction, and all. But I'm going to show you a formula which I have written, and which has been good in identifying stocks which are decently performing, and it can give you a good return. The return of minimum of 22% is one of the criteria which we have. So let's go to that screener which I had created. So we will go to screener and we will go to best stocks. So if you can see, the formula has already screened 27 of the top stocks. Okay, where the market cap is good, quarterly profit is good, quarterly sales growth is good, PEG ratio is good, current market price, book value, everything has been captured here. Now what is the formula for this? We will look at this. So this is our formula. The stock has to be currently above 100 rupees. Okay, the current price has to be 100, and market capitalization has to be 1000 crores plus. Price to book value should be less than 5. Okay, don't ask me the details why it should be less than 5. You can always Google and find out. It is the best value which you are trying to put in this formula. Debt to equity less than 1. Okay, interest coverage greater than 3, and operating margin 5-year greater to price to earning. Okay, and PEG ratio less than 1 and PEG ratio less than 0. So we are looking for something which is in between 0 and 1. And average return on capital employed 3 years should be 22%. Okay, so this is a big criteria, and it is going to filter out a lot of stocks which have underperformed below this. Okay, so this is a very good query. If you want, you can copy this, pause the video, copy this, and create a screener for yourself on the screener.com. Okay, it's a very simple thing, and once you run this, Okay, once you run this query, you're going to get this list of 27 stocks. Okay, so now it's the same exercise. What we need to do, we need to look at quarterly sales. Let's sort out by profit variance. Okay, Coal India is there, Methane Alloys has been there. Methane Alloys I have invested long time and then I have taken it out also. So you can look at these stocks, Methane Alloys. Let's look at their charts. This is a chart of Methane Alloys. So on a weekly trend, if you see on a daily chart and yeah, on a weekly chart, for investment you should always look at this on a weekly chart. The weekly chart, the price is about 200 and the price is below 20 and it is in sideways. It has already made a peak, but the super trend is not giving us an entry here. Okay, so what do we have to do? We have to wait for the super trend to give us an entry. So always remember, you should always combine both of your fundamental and technical analysis. Don't blindly go with the fundamentals, and maybe after you invest it might go down, you might feel why it is going down, I'm making losses. All that thing can be avoided if you follow fundamental analysis plus the technical analysis. So this is very important. Here we are seeing that Methane Alloys is not giving us an entry on the super trend. So let's look at the other stock, IG Petrochems. IG Petrochemical, is it giving an entry? No. Then Kama Holdings. And also you need to go through these stocks and understand what kind of business they really do. Kama Holdings has given an entry here on March 2022, but it's a good stock for you to invest even now because it's a rising 20 and definitely it can give you great results. It has been going up for a really long time. You see the kind of exponential growth they had from 300 and 275 till this 4000, and March 2020 crash also they have not gone down significantly, but it's a very good rally. See how this super trend works. Such a big move you were able to capture with this super trend. Isn't it wonderful? So now it has given an entry and again an entry here. So it's a good time for you to invest, ride with this super trend. Next is Jindal Polyfilm. Jindal Polyfilms. It's breaking down. It's not giving an entry. So let's look at other stock. Supreme Petro. Supreme Petrochemicals. It is also kind of in consolidation, but yes, you can invest 25% and wait. If it bounces from this, if it doesn't break this super trend, you can invest more. You should look out for a candle which can give you a reversal. I hope my screen is getting captured. Yes, it is. So that's not a problem. So now let's look at Tinplate Co. A lot of people talk about Tinplate. It's a very good company. I think it's Tata's company, right? Tinplate is not giving an entry right now, but it can give you an entry. But this is a very volatile stock. As you can see, it has gone from 300 till 58. So you should hold on not to invest at this moment. Savita Oil Tech. Let's look at Savita Oil. Savita Oil, SAVITA, not THA. Okay, SOTL. Very good up move it has given from the time it has given us an entry on the super trend. Now it is coming back. So wait for it to give you a green candle either near the 200. You can start investing on that. Panama Petrochem. So let's look at PANAMA, Panama, Petrochem. Very volatile stock. See the kind of downtrend it had, and then now 290. I'm sure nobody would be like to hold it from 200 to 30. It's too much of a drop, so it's not a stock which you see. There is a lot of factors which impact your investment. Always look at the volatility of the stock. If the stock's volatility is too big and you cannot handle, the drawdowns will be too big for you. So always take care of that you will understand once you start analyzing it on a chart. Petronet LNG is nope, it's a downtrend right now. Fundamentally good, but it's in a downtrend. Not for investment. HG Infra Engineering. Let's see this stock. This is also moved up, but not giving an entry. Cosmo first. Let's look at this. Nope. So this is just an example which I'm trying to show you guys, and you can use this screener, and if you know certain other parameters which you want to add it here, you can definitely add. So mine has price to earning less than 15, and Petrovsky score also is added in this. This is a very extensive detailed formula which I've got from one of my gurus, so I am giving this to you free of cost on this video, but I have paid a lot of money to learn this. So use this, and you can definitely analyze these 27 stocks and see which one is giving you an entry, and then only invest on those which are satisfying the condition of the super trend and they're giving you an entry. So that's it for this week, guys, and I hope you have learned something new in this video. I always try to come up with some new ideas, new concepts for you to learn every week and improve your trading. Trading is all about managing your risk, having a strategy, and hitting the right quantity at the right time to catch the momentum. Only then you'll be able to make money. Okay, otherwise you can, if without knowledge you can invest and sit there, nothing happens, years pass by and your money is wasted. Instead, you can invest that money somewhere in the real estate. You will have a lot of better returns. And my advice, if you want to practice technical analysis, you should always do net practice in intraday. Intraday trading is like net practice for you to understand the market, understand the charts, understand the behavior of the market, volatility. So you cannot learn that if you're doing swing trading or investing, because then for you it will take a lot of time, because here you see you will be able to catch. If you want to become a good cricketer, you have to practice every day, net practice every day. It's not like 1 year you have a match, you'll play and practice, and only you will never sharpen your skills like that. So you need to practice every day. So that is the reason intraday is important for you. You should practice and then understand. My learning has started from investing, but later when I came into intraday 4 to 5 years now, I have traded market every day, every candle. Believe me, it gives you so much experience and understanding on the market, how it moves. Literally, you can sit now and look at the market, look at the candle, and we can easily say what is happening in the market, understand the psychology of it. So that's it, guys. That's it for this week, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. And thank you for watching my videos. Please do share, subscribe, and let others also learn from these videos and enrich their knowledge. Thank you so much for watching.